Hi, I'm Pete, and welcome to Just a Few Acres Farm. Over the last 3 days, we had about 6 inches of snow. No big deal around here. We're kind of used to that amount. And today is Hillary's birthday. She's 32.
32 again.
Yeah. Today is a big day in all things pig-related. Porkers, swine, hogs. Hey, boss. Let's clean out your car. Yes. According to our calendar, Bossy Pig will be coming into heat tomorrow. Right, boss? What do you think of that, boss? You're kind of subdued. Hey, Billy. I got a job for you to do. Yeah. All right. Here you go, bud. Come check things out. Here. Let's go. I know, Billy. Let's follow her. There you go. Go right in there, Billy boy. You're trapped with him now, boss. Nope. I don't think she's quite ready, Billy. This is our last chance at getting the sows bred. We gave them injections, Ferrosure Gold against parvo and leptospira, 2 rounds. If it doesn't take this time, well, we'll be out of the pig business, at least breeding them. So keep your fingers crossed. Billy seems to be on the job. I expect we'll be hearing this from all over the farm for the next day or so. Looks like Boss is really happy to have Billy's company. Tomorrow her attitude will change greatly when she comes into heat.
Yeah.
What's next? What could I possibly do with 6 inches of snow on the ground? I know. I did a lot of work to this tractor last spring for just such an occasion. Need some battery. Oh, she needs some fuel. I went through the ignition and the carburetor, rebuilt both. Now it starts much easier, no more of that crank, crank, crank in the middle of winter. That's going to be cold. At least that was the goal. We'll put her to the test. Choke. Uh-huh. Maybe. Choke. You know, I need 2 hands. This tractor starts a lot easier than it used to, but you got to keep 2 hands, one on the choke here and one on the starter. You're starting to annoy me. It's all in the timing. The distributor down there, I guess I gotta adjust that. Let her warm up for a few minutes. To a certain extent, that's oil from when I worked on the fuel tank and I coated the inside with oil. Let's take care of that before we get moving and things start sloshing around in the sediment bowl. See that oil in there? We don't want that sloshing and coming up the works in the carburetor. I'll be right back. I got to dispose of this in a responsible fashion. Not a big fan of these filter screens, but this one's got one and it doesn't leak, so I'll leave it in. I have to burp it because the bowl is filled on the carburetor. There we go. There's no place for air to go because the float valve's closed on the carburetor. dropped in here somewhere when I let the plow down. It's just a bolt, probably buried in that trail I left. Huh. Nope. It's right there. It's just like the Super C when you put the pin in, like so. You hold that over, it must have just got knocked loose. First time that's happened. I don't know. I'm gonna put you guys back down here. This tractor's a real mighty mite. It's like driving a go-kart. That. 'Since it's Hillary's birthday, I thought, well, she needs to have her car cleaned off. She doesn't have to come out and do it. Mile-an-hour winds, rain, and 45 degrees tomorrow. What's going on in here? Hey, Billy. Boss. Looks like you guys have a little bit of peace. I had a dream about being a muffler. Yep. I woke up exhausted. Jokes so bad they scare viewers away. Howdy, cows. You guys are going to need more hay this afternoon, and Hillary and I got another surprise for you. Yep. Hi, Titus and little one. Hillary went to visit our oldest daughter in town and have lunch with her. I thought while she was gone I would convert this old fixture. When I was cleaning out the upstairs of the garage here, I found 3 of these fixtures that I suspect have bad ballasts, and that's why I stuck them up there thinking, well, maybe I'll replace the ballast, but now I'm going to bypass the ballast and put true LEDs in that don't require a ballast. She is grubby. She hung here in the shop for years. Got all kinds of crap on it. This is super simple. I got a plug on this end coming in, power coming in. It goes to a pull switch here that hangs below the light. Here's the ballast. Here's the power wires coming from the ballast out to the lamp holders on one end. And then the other one, this is a rapid start ballast, so it's got 2 wires coming in to the one lamp holder in this end. We're just going to remove the ballast and wire it directly to line voltage. I know you think you're important, but you don't work anymore. I'm going to have to do something different on this side because I don't have enough wire to reach. I can do these. I guess I have a solution here. So one end of this light fixture becomes neutral, the neutral wire, and one end becomes the hot wire. It's real simple. We just gang all the wires together. They go to one end. This side's going to get connected to the hot wire. I guess there should be a fuse in line coming off the power supply, 1 amp. I don't have one. I'll have to put that in another time. We'll just see if she works for now. And the neutral wire gets connected to all 3 wires from the other end. Wow, this is exciting. I can't wait to see what happens next. Put the bulbs in. These are high output daylight 6500K bulbs. Much brighter than the original fluorescents would have been. Plug her in. Wow, that is bright. 5,000 lumens per bulb. Let's compare. It is brighter. That one is LED as well, but it's the retrofit bulb, so that light fixture still has the ballast in it. This is the high outputs. That is quite a difference between the two. Hillary's back from lunch. Had a nice lunch with Cora?
Yeah, I did. I did.
I haven't heard anything from the pig barn today. They're pretty quiet. Hopefully tomorrow. Hey, Orden. All right, you guys, you gotta go out. Let's go. Out you go. They know the drill by now. Once a week, every Monday, they get fresh bedding. I wish I could get the cattle to wipe their feet before they come in. I think they're bringing in a lot of snow and stuff. It's wet. Although the winter pasture sure does look a heck of a lot cleaner than it did. Froze up and snow on it. At least they don't sink in because of all the hay in there.
It gets really tight down to the center. Hard to get it unrolled.
I know they like to lay against the wall.
Yeah.
There we go. We'll find which way this rolled and then roll it that way.
Oh, there we go. Just slap.
They started the bail on one side instead of in the middle.
I think we got just enough.
24 head of cattle in here? 28 total?
I think so, yeah.
24 head of cattle, including calves and everybody. They eat 2 of these bales every 3.5 days, and these bales are about 4.5 feet in diameter, and they're 4 foot on the other direction, whatever you call that. Like, there's got to be a geometrical term for that.
Bale size. Bale size. Patty says they're not moving fast enough.
You ready to come in? Well, go on. You too, Patty.
Patty.
Hey, 2209. How are you? You're one of those steers, aren't you? Yes. You guys are squirrely. Squirrely steers. Bedding, food, dual purpose. They will eat some of it. It's already time for afternoon chores. Cattle are almost done. I just got to fill up this water trough. Winter weather is upon us, I guess, although the snow will probably be gone later this week, given the forecast we've got. It's just weird. Some of you may be wondering why I haven't started work on the tractor in the shop yet, and it's just because I've been busy with other things. And so sooner or later I'll get to it. I'm really not in any hurry. Take this one slow, there's no deadline. I want to leave you with the cow cam, the time lapse of cattle on the bedding, because it's really interesting. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.